Family is fighting to save the land they own.
The Eagle Urban Renewal Agency voted 3-2 in favor of using eminent domain on a lot on the corner of State Street and Eagle Road, forcing the owners to sell their lot to the city. Brandon Fonda is on your side with details.
The motion passes.
The decision, final. The city will force Sandy Smith and her husband to sell their property to the city.
They're throwing everything at us that they can to stop us.
The Urban Renewal Agency deemed her property to be blight, or in other words, an eyesore. But Sandy says she doesn't see any eyesore or blight.
It's not a public safety risk. It's not a hazard. It's not condemned. It has no contamination. I don't understand. They've never given us a listing of what they're considering to be blighted.
Leaving Sandy confused at what's wrong.
We have not been cited for anything in 14 years.
But according to Idaho law, the exact condition of the building may not matter. We sat down with former Idaho Attorney General David Leroy, who explained.
If a particular piece of property is taken for a legitimate public purpose, like a parking lot, then you need not prove blight.
In this case, Eagle Mayor Jim Reynolds told us the city plans on using the property for parking, which could be considered as public use. But why take somebody's land over a simple parking lot? We reached out to every member of the URA, Eagle City, and the city's lawyers. Nobody would comment, or in some cases, our calls were ignored.
An urban renewal agency can take property for a public purpose. Those public purposes generally would include a parking lot.
The next step for Sandy will have to be proving that the city is not using property for public use. If she can't,
the party can seek more compensation in the event that the judge does find a public purpose is necessary.
Eminent domain will be pursued by the city, but Sandy plans on fighting for her land.
My plans are still to continue to do what I think every American should do, fight for their property and fight for their right.
Brandon Fonda, Idaho on your side.